Imagine waking up to a world where the sky is ripped apart, where the sun vanishes, and the ground beneath you stretches into infinity. What if, in the vastness of space, a rogue black hole was silently drifting, and one day it came straight for Earth? Would we survive? Or would we be pulled into the abyss, our very existence erased in an instant? Let's dive into the mind-bending reality of black holes and what would happen if one swallowed our planet. Black holes are some of the most mysterious and terrifying objects in the universe. They warp space-time, bend reality, and swallow everything in their path, including light itself. But here's the real question. If a black hole came near Earth, would we see it coming? Or would we disappear before we even knew what hit us? Let's break it down. What happens step by step when a black hole devours an entire planet? The 3 stages of doom. Stage 1. The silent approach. Most people think black holes are giant vacuum cleaners, but that's not exactly true. They don't suck things in. They warp the fabric of space-time, bending everything around them. A rogue black hole wandering through the galaxy wouldn't make a sound. It wouldn't flash across the sky like a meteor. Instead, Earth's orbit would start shifting ever so slightly. Our seasons would change, tides would go haywire, and satellites would drift out of position. And then, the sky would start to look strange. Stars would distort, stretch, and flicker as light itself bent around the growing gravitational monster. If a black hole the size of our sun got close enough, Earth would be doomed before it even reached us. Stage 2. The stretching of reality. The moment we cross the event horizon, the point of no return, there's no escape. And here's where things get truly terrifying. Spaghettification. Gravity at your feet would be thousands of times stronger than at your head. You wouldn't just fall in. You'd be stretched into a thin, endless strand of atoms, pulled apart molecule by molecule. Time dilation. If someone was watching from a safe distance, they'd see Earth slow down, as if time itself was freezing. But for us, it would feel like normal time until everything went dark. Stage 3. The final fate. Would Earth survive inside a black hole? Nope. The crushing singularity at the center would break every atom, reducing our planet to a point of infinite density. No history, no evidence, no trace. Earth would vanish. Not even light would escape to tell our story. But here's the real kicker. What if black holes don't destroy information? Some scientists believe the data of everything that falls in might still exist, encoded on the event horizon itself. Could the essence of Earth be holographically preserved on the edge of the abyss? The good news? There's no black hole anywhere near us. At least, not that we know of. But the universe is full of surprises, and rogue black holes are real. So while we might be safe for now, the cosmos is still an unpredictable place. One day, a distant black hole could make its way toward us. The only question is, would we see it coming? If you love exploring mind-bending questions like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into the mysteries of the universe.